AVITA Liber laptop NS14A series. We are getting a premium package from AVITA Liber with the slogan "Live it up." Package contains user guide, warranty document, HDMI to HDMI cable, microfiber cleaning cloth, power adapter. Overall, we are getting a premium package. HDMI to HDMI cable, AC power adapter, we're getting a premium package, premium look, metallic finish. We're getting a shining AVITA logo. It's very slim, it looks like a Mac. This laptop contains 2 USB port, 1 USB port support Type-C, and we have 1 HDMI port and 1 micro SD card reader, 1 headphone jack, and we are not having optical disk drive. Very stylish, slim, simply an Apple laptop for $35,000. It's full HD 1080 pixel. It also have fingerprint sensor, and it comes up with Core i5 Intel, and we have a big mouse pad which is easy for use and also very soft. The keyboard is very smooth and no issues. Let's start. This laptop comes up with keyboard light, and the look was awesome. We are getting a good picture quality because it's a full HD, and it's also having Intel Integrity Ultra HD 620 graphic card. The look was too premium. I would like to check every time. And it comes up with Windows 10. We have around 19 colors. We can also choose that. We're getting 18 months warranty. If you register online, you will get 2 years warranty. Totally, AVITA Liber is premium and looks amazing. You can go for that. And thank you so much.